Who needs to go to the takeaway when you can whip up this delicious Fakeaway style slow cooker lemon chicken right in your own kitchen? The prep is minimal. All you have to do is just chop some chicken and then throw in a load of ingredients in the slow cooker, and it does all the legwork for you. So if you want to throw away the takeaway menu and cook something that is not only healthier but also cheaper, then add this slow cooker lemon chicken to your meal prep rotation. This is how you cook it.
I mean, the prep for this is ridiculously easy. All you're doing is starting off with some lemon juice and some lemon zest. And then to that, we're adding chili flakes. You can leave these out if you don't like it hot. 50 mils of reduced salt soy sauce, then using some rice wine vinegar, 30 grams of corn flour to help thicken things. And then to that, we're adding the old trusty equal measures of garlic and ginger paste, some honey for the beautiful sweetness, and then chicken stock. That is it. I mean, how easy was that? All you need to do is mix it all through, and then we're going to add a kilo of chopped up chicken breast to the slow cooker, pour that sauce mixture over the top, and then just make sure it's nicely combined. You then go pop the lid on it and give it about 4 hours on low.
Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favor to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe.
For serving, I stir through some lemon slices just because it looks a bit more appealing. And then you just need to plate it up. You can serve this with fried rice or noodles or just some vegetables if you want a low carb option. And as always, garnish with some green and get stuck in.
So there we have it, Fakeaway style slow cooker lemon chicken. I hope you enjoy this recipe. And if you'd like the full recipe along with all the macros, the calories, serving sizes and so on, you can get it inside my Food for Fitness High Protein Recipes app. You just click the link below in the description. You can download it for free. And this is one of the free recipes inside it. So you can get this and loads of others by just clicking the link in the description to get the app. Anyway, thanks again for being here. Speak to you later.